This video is a step-by-step guide to create a power set out from the subsets of a given set. Let's consider set Z containing the letters YES. First, we need to compute the total number of subsets using the formula 2 to the power of n. N determines the number of elements or the cardinality of the set. So we have 3, and 2 to the power of 3 is equal to 8. Hence, we have 8 subsets of this given set. And then, we make the subsets starting from the unit proper subsets containing 1 elements, Y, E, and S. Next is to increase the number of elements systematically. So we have Y and E separated by a comma, Y and S, and an E and S. And step 4, we now include the improper subset, which is the set itself, in the trivial subset, which is the null set or the empty set. Let us count the number of subsets. You have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Those are the 8 subsets of set Z. To write the power set of set Z, we will use the subsets we have made earlier. But first, let us write the notation of the power set of set Z. Since we know that there are 8 subsets of set Z, let's line them up. Here, from this notation, and we need to make sure that all subsets are placed here. You may interchange the subsets as long as you have 8 subsets as its elements. These are the basics in finding the subsets and the power set of the given set.